Hello, in this video, we will talk about useful general information. The first missile was manufactured in the year 1942 AD in Germany. The brain needs 1,000 liters of blood daily to function. Jabal Abi Qais is geographically located in the city of Makkah Al-Mukarramah, and it is the first mountain to be placed on Earth. Dry ice is ice that does not melt, but it evaporates. Human is the only creature that can sleep on his back. Defines the cornea. It is a transparent membrane covering the eyeball. The number of human bones is 206. Alfred Patten is the first scientist to develop a scale to measure intelligence. The tallest tree in the world is located in California and is 367 feet tall. The Russian spacecraft Luna 2 is the first spacecraft to reach the surface of the Moon in the year 1959 AD. A fly shakes its wings 320 times per second. The child can first distinguish his mother's voice from all sounds,